Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. After days of deliberating, I finally convinced myself to do another Vlogmas this 2021. So for today, I'm gonna be doing a DIY Christmas tree. I've looked up some pictures in Pinterest and I'm just gonna go to the mall to buy some things to add up to the Christmas tree. So this is my episode 1. I hope there will be another episode or episode 2. So I'll take you guys with me.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So I'm here in Daiso and I'm looking for those red plaid ribbons to have that very Christmassy look. So I'm already back from the mall. I just bought some few things and I'm gonna set up now my DIY Christmas tree. I'm gonna be making a like cone shape as what I've seen on Pinterest. So I'm just gonna be focusing the video on how I'm going to do it. Okay, so let's go. Here's what I'll be using. I'm gonna be using this lamp as my base and I'm gonna cover it with white cardboard. You can use any colored cardboard. And then I got this yarn, and red yarn and green yarn, and this huge, I don't know if this is called yarn, but yes, this one. So, and I also have my glue gun. Measure your cone and cut the excess. So I have put the yarn. I started from the top since it will not cover everything. So I space it out until up to the bottom. Then I did the same thing with the green yarn. Now to make the ornaments. Find something with cylindrical shape just like this. It's up to you if you want your ornaments to be a big size or smaller size. Then wrap the yarn around the cylinder 10 to 15 times depending on how big and fluffy you want it to be. I added some Christmas balls and Christmas snowflakes from last year. Since I don't have a star, I just make use of the snowflakes. It still does resemble like a star.